What's up? Stephen at Crux. We're going to go through a quick exercise called toe intrinsics. For those of you who have never done this exercise before, it is difficult. It's hard. Stick with it. If you do it for at least a week or two, you'll notice significant improvements. Even if you don't see movement in your feet, just thinking about it will send those neural pathways down into your feet and it will improve over time. So even if you stink at it, keep on trying. If you're really good, at the end of this video, I will show you a progression of the exercise that is difficult to challenge almost anyone. So main rule with this exercise is that while doing it, the configuration of your feet does not change, right? So the arch of the foot needs to stay in the same position as when you started, and the ankles can't change. So I don't want to see movement like this at all in the legs, in the ankle, in the foot. The arch should not be collapsing and then raising and collapsing and raising. It should stay exactly the same. Also, we call it the foot tripod. So 1, 2, 3. The heel behind the big toe and behind the little toe are the three spots that need to stay in contact with the ground at all times. What you're going to do for this exercise is stand on both feet, raise your big toe, and then raise your 4 little toes. So big toe up, then little toes up. Now notice, nothing's changing in my ankle, nothing's changing in my big toe. So I'm lifting my little toes, nothing changes in my ankle, nothing changes in my arch. So the ball of the foot remains, both on the inside and the outside. Ball of the foot stays in contact. Now, watch just on my right foot. If this is difficult for you, I would recommend doing 1 foot at a time. Just unweight just a little bit, makes it a little bit easier, and then you can progress to 2 feet. But 1 foot at a time, I'm gonna raise my big toe. Notice the arch stays in the same position. Now I'm gonna raise my little toes. Everything stays in good configuration. When I raise my big toe, the arch looks good. When I raise my little toes, the arch looks good. What I'm not doing is little toes up, and all of a sudden I'm crashing in. And now at this point, the outside of my foot is lifting. So I'm going to show you a quick little zoom in. Sorry for the trauma of movement there. So here's my beautiful runner foot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to raise my big toe, and then I'm going to raise my little toes. Nothing changes in the ankle, nothing changes in the foot. Big toe, little toes. Ball of the foot stays in contact the whole time. Back and forth. Now, do this exercise while you are brushing your teeth. Do this exercise while you're doing the dishes. Do it all the time. All right, so if you're good at this exercise, if this is easy for you, what I want you to do is progress. So instead of being on 2 feet and lifting one at a time, or lifting big toe then little toes, I want you to stand on just 1 foot, raise the other leg into a march position, raise your big toe, raise your little toes. I have to look down at my foot or I'm going to lose my balance here. So little toes up, big toes up, little toes up, big toes up. This is hard for almost anyone. If you stick with it, even if you have to start out just kind of offloading one at a time, stick with it, you will get better, and you will notice an improvement in your running gait. You will notice an improvement in your ability to kind of splay your toes and be really active. So stick with it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for being part of our running club, and get out there and keep running.